Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I've got a wig haul and I have lots of wigs. I think I have about 15 wigs here to show you. At Wigstudio1 at the clearance section, the wigs are priced 40 to 60% off, but every so often we are surprised with an additional 20% off, which is a huge savings. Now, I did not buy these wigs on one shopping trip. I will leave the link down below to the clearance section at Wigstudio1, as well as links to all of these wigs that you can find them at the regular price. Many of them have a 30% off either always, that is applied automatically at checkout, and some, such as the Raquel Welch, will have an additional 30% off on Saturdays and Sundays. I'm going to start out with Jon Renau. This is Julia, and the color is Shaded Peach. Now, because this is a wig haul, I'm not going to do any styling or show the colors outside or anything like that. Julia has a full mono top, and I'm not feeling much permatease. I'll also be giving you my initial thoughts, such as this one seems to be a bit of a face flopper. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. Kind of shaggy. The color is gorgeous. Lots of auburn here. Really pretty. This one is Kristen by Jon Renau in the color 38. 38 is a cool brown, and it has grays running through. Looks really pretty if you're looking for a cool brunette and you just want a little bit of gray going through. Kristen has a lace front, but there is no mono part. Okay, the lace front is lifting up a little bit right there, so I'll have to fool with that a little bit, maybe add some It Stays. Really pretty bob. This is Zion by Noriko, and mine is in the color Raspberry Ice R. I purchased Zion about 2 years ago when it was first released, and it did not fit me. I was also about 100 pounds heavier than I am now. So I purchased it because I was hoping that it was going to fit me. I think the style is so pretty. I always get so excited when I get hair mail. Do you get excited with hair mail as well? I'm always like over the moon when that UPS guy comes rolling around. I'm always concerned about Noriko because sometimes they tend to run really small. So we'll see if this one fits. With Zion, you have a center part and a lace front. Well, it fits me this time. I know, they're crazy when we just take them out of the box. Oh, this color is really pretty. I like this color. The other issue that I have sometimes with Noriko is that the front is very full, very dense at the front. This one doesn't seem to be that way. It seems that it's flopping a little bit on my face, but I can fix that with some steam. All right, so it's not that bad. I think I can get that to work. Oh, really cute style. I have been so curious about this one for the longest time. This is Hailey by Noriko in the color Java Frost. I don't think I've had this color, and I know I certainly have not had Hailey, but I've been curious about it because it is an angled type of bob where it's shorter in the back than it is on the front. And that's one of my favorite styles. That's how I wore my bio hair for many years, was in that angled cut. Okay, Hailey has a basic cap, so if you are not a fan of the lace front, if you don't need to have a mono part and you want something affordable, a basic cap is really the way to go. Lots of permatease on this girl. And as I mentioned, there's no lace front. We do have that permatease up there. Can't wear it off the face because there's no lace front. Not a style if you don't like permatease. It also looks a little bit like the Zion that I showed you before. Actually, it's a lot prettier than I was anticipating. I think if we just play with it a little bit, what do you think about this one? Let me know what you think. Well, I'd like to know what you think of as many as you can possibly tell me, because I'm interested to know which ones you like and which ones you say, yeah, maybe not so much. But this is, I think it's really cute. You could even add some bangs if you wanted to on this one. Fibers are beautiful, really soft. Okay, now we're going to jump over to Raquel Welch. Well, I think that so far I've gotten some winners. I haven't seen one that I say, yeah, I really don't like this one. This one is Mesmerized by Raquel Welch in the color Shaded Biscuit. Oh, Mesmerized, I forgot. We have a partially hand-tied cap. We have a full mono top. We have a lace front. Yeah, this color's a bit too light for me. I need this wig in a darker color. Wow, this is beautiful. The fibers feel amazing. Nice pretty layers over here on the front. No permatease. All right, the next one that I have is Current Events, and mine is in the color Shaded Ice Cafe Latte. Okay, we do have a bit of a face flopper here. Current Event has a left part and a lace front. It's flopping in my face, so I will need to use some heat on it to train those fibers. Really pretty bob. The fibers feel amazing, and really nice, cool brunette. Lighter fibers on the front. But it's definitely flopping. I definitely need to do something with this. The last one that I have from Raquel Welch is Real Deal in the color Shaded Hazelnut. Real Deal has an ear-to-ear lace front, and it has a full mono top. It also has an extended nape. Oh, this is cute. Little bit of a face flopper here. Very casual looking. Not feeling any permatease. Let me just let the fibers go where they want. Nice light fibers at the front. I think it's a really cute summer style, and with a little bit of training, you know, to keep it off the face, I think it'll be fine. Let me know what you think. Not too short in the back. All right, let's go to Ellen Villa. This is Eclat. This one is in a color. I don't think I've reviewed this color or even tried it. This is Pearl Blonde Rooted. Eclat is from the Hair Society collection. We have a partially hand-tied cap. We have a full mono top and a lace front. We have an extended nape. All right, lots of curls here. This color appears to be similar to the Shaded Biscuit. Yes, these are heat-friendly fibers. So if you like Shaded Biscuit from Raquel Welch, and when I do the review, I'll compare it. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at those curls, how pretty they are. If you like Editor's Pick by Raquel Welch, you like this one. I feel this one runs Eclat runs a little bit larger than the Editor's Pick Elite. This one is Rule by Ellen Villa, and it's in the color Salt Pepper Mix. I've never tried this color. I like grays, so we'll see. This gray is a salt and pepper. It doesn't have a root. We have a basic cap with a mono crown. It is flopping in the face a bit. Some flyaways. I'm not going to hide it from you. Has a little bit of a crimped right here. A little bit of box hair. And that can be taken care of with just a cold soak. All right, these are new to me, and they're new colors to me. These are also fairly new releases from the Orchid collection from Rene of Paris. Liana in Shadowed Custard. I'm not feeling a lot of permatease here. This is a basic cap. I'm not feeling a lot of permatease here at all. This color is way too gold for me. So if you like blondes with a gold, you like this one. The bang is laying down nicely. We do have that dark root. Cute waves. Density is not bad. Doesn't feel high density. And as I mentioned, there's no permatease on this wig. There was another color that I've never tried, and I want to show you that one right now. This one is in Moonstone. I know, I am the last kid on the block to try Moonstone. Lots of stretch. Oh yeah, I like this one a lot better. This color, rather. Oh, this is pretty. I know. I like the grays. What could I tell you? I might have to trim these bangs a little bit. Beautiful color. I don't know why I waited so long to try this color. Now we're going to one of my favorite brands, Belle Tress. That's what I'm going to finish with. This is Colombia and Tres Leche Blonde. Tres Leche Blonde. But Colombia is still one of my favorite styles. We have a left part and we have a lace front. We do have that band going across with the lighter fibers. I know some wearers love the band of the lighter fibers and some don't. They don't bother me at all. I've never had this style before. This is Stumptown by Belle Tress, and mine is in the color British Milk Tea. Stumptown has a left part and a lace front. Different style for sure. It almost looks as if we took one of those crimpers. Pretty. I like it. I like this one. I know. Strange. What can I tell you? All right, I saved this one for last because I'm afraid of it. This is Peppermint by Belle Tress, and the color is Blue Steel. I've never had this color. I have a couple of Peppermint, and I love the style. Peppermint has a left part and a lace front. I love Peppermint. I love the wig. I don't know. I don't know about this color. The jury's still out on this one. It'll be fun, though. Let me know if you have any of these styles. Let me know if you love any of them, or if you're like, yeah, Marlene, no, stay away from that one. Either way, it's all good. We're just here having some fun. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Bye.